might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Hi! Yay! Giveaway time! Woohoo! So, I just want to thank everyone for entering the giveaway. There were 77 entries, which is amazing. And I've got like over 900 subscribers now, which is fantastic. So, all your names have been entered into the Pyrex bowl. This is actually called butterprint, and it's sometimes referred to as Amish butterprint. Because if you're going to have a party, you may as well have a theme party, and there's nothing better than an Amish theme party, right? Right. So tonight we will be drawing the prize, which is Macintosh Mill, kitted up with all the threads, everything's in there, all that you will need, fabric, etc. And let's get started. So tonight we will be having the government official will be here supervising the draw. Miss Honey, Kitty Honey, in her formal wear. And tonight we have a special guest who will be drawing tonight's giveaway. This is Benita. Welcome, Benita. Shouldn't say much. She's only here for her looks. Don't tell her. So, Benita, if you would like to choose a winner. Drum roll, please. Jennifer Cordray. Thanks, Benita. Congratulations, Jennifer. You will be contacted somehow, and I'll get this out to you ASAP so you can get started. So thanks again, everyone, for entering the draw. It was fantastic. And
It might seem crazy.